Sendquick on cloud does not just actively monitor the devices through network monitor. It can also do as a listener by email filtering. To do email filtering, click on Email Filter, create New Email Filter Rule. The user may click on the filters here and to have an option to match against all of them or any of these filters. The users then fill up the filters details and click Submit to create a new email filter rule here. Once done, the user can click on this icon to view the rule that is created and to create a new alert list. Give the alert a name and select the recipient. Then click Submit.